Chairmo Egor Local Government Council Hon Eghe don't start the evacuation of drains where they for Uselu Ugbowo Lagos Road. Hon Eghe and her team will start the evacuation of sand and dirty for the drains for Uselu Ugbowo is on Saturday. Contact say he dey in line with Governor Godwin Obaseki directive say everywhere for Edo State must dey clean and also with our Operation Keep Egor Local Government Area Clean movement. She constantly talk say as rainy season don dey near, say the need to keep the drains for Uselu Ugbowo clean dey very important to avoid any form of flood so that during rainy season it go dey easy for movement of vehicles and people to waka freely.
Today is a day of fulfillment for me that we're able to desit some part of Egor Chairmo and we are evacuating, which is very, very important. So by God's grace, next week we will continue again to desit, the drainages around the Egor Chairmo, because we don't know what's going to happen in the next few days. And if it rains again, by God's grace, at least there will be a lot of improvement, more than the way it used to be. So I want to thank God for everything. I want to thank the governor, my governor, Godwin Obaseki, for giving that marching order and said every local government should go and clean their local government. It's Operation Clean Edo State. But before this time, I have already started Operation Clean Egor. So we have our road makers on ground doing the job. So we now decided that cleaning and removing the waste is not enough. It was hard time that we should remove all the sand from the drainages. So which is what we have been doing since on Saturday till today, Monday now. So I want to thank God for everything. Egor local government. Oh yeah. I want to use this medium to beg our people. Egor local government. He said cleanliness is next to godliness. Yeah. Cleanliness starts with me. It begins with me and it begins with you. How do we do that? When you clean your environment, pay your waste managers to come and evacuate your waste. Don't wait for rain to fall or when it's raining and you put your waste inside the drainages. Please, I beg you in the name of Jesus. I beg you in the name of God. Please help us. Let's help ourselves so that we can get the best out of Egor local government and the best out of Edo State.
Some of the residents for the area control salute give Honorable Eghe for the ogbonge work wey she dey do.
Yeah, we do now. 1971.
What in anything, Baba?
Moridian Street.
Baba, I mean, no chama or Egor Chairmo. Why go?
No man on adult level, Oh, not adult level. You
have been what Egor is doing now.
Okay, my motors are good at 10 years. And I went on. Oh, how many of your liberal in Magmo and I had the guy or Derima. And I don't want.
So, I mean, the chama here now, what me, what?
Yeah, of a big way. Allow that way.
The way you have been making them setting America lower.
Maria Wano.
So, go your papa.
You call yourself 7.
No, sir.
Rotere, no me where or the lawyer say. Immortal, I like Mary.
Them not only evacuate the drains for Uselu Ugbowo Road, but they also co-extend the exercise to some other areas where they also do grading and sand filling.
Yes, mommy. This stock is too much now. This 100 and
Motorists where they use the Uselu Ugbowo Road, control wey salute give Honorable Eghe for the ogbonge work they do to make sure say everything they go well for Egor local government.
Somebody with that reason where somebody that have the people at heart You can see there's nothing like, there's no pretense. You can see work is going on. There's no, that's to tell you that she knows what she's doing. So that's all I have to say. People should emanate from her and do the good work. Let them work. Let them not eat the money. Let them do the work. I love this.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.